Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. Make sure to open your WhatsApp. Click the conversation that you want to make a poll into. For example, this one, I already am directed to the conversation. Click the plus button at the lower left portion of your screen. And as you can see, it will give you different set of directions such as camera, photo, video gallery, document, location, contact, and poll. So we're just going to click the poll. Feel free to put on your questions and add some options. Once you're done, click send. See, as you can see, your poll is already created. And if you click on the options that you want, for example, I'll click blue. Then it will show you my profile picture and it will show you a check mark, which means that I already voted to that option to the question. So yeah, that is it. Super quick and easy. I hope you guys learned something today. What can you say about the video? Make sure to leave your comments at the comment section down below. Click the like and subscribe. See you in our next one.